Okie dokie. On this special edition of Dave's Cooking Show, we have State Fair Lemonade. And yes, before anyone says anything, I stole this entire recipe from Chef John over at foodwishes.com. Shout out to Chef John, foodwishes.com. I'll link his original video in the description of this video. But basically, you want to take 6 lemons and you want to peel the skins off the lemons. If your lemons are kind of waxy, feel free to run them under some warm to hot water. So 6 lemons, the peels, and let's move on to the next step. Okay, I've peeled the 6 lemons. Now I'm going to add a cup and a quarter of sugar. And then I'm basically going to cover the bowl and, after I kind of mix everything up, make sure everything's coated, then I'm going to cover the bowl, and then you want to let this rest for at least 2 hours till up to overnight. I personally went with 4 hours. And every so often, I would come out to the bowl and shake it around and get everything kind of recoated and moved around. So, for me, it was 4 hours. Just gonna do this with saran wrap. So, like I said, at least 2 up to overnight, but I did 4. Okay, and as you can see here, I've got 5 cups of water that started out cold. Now they're at the boil. And now we're going to add our sugar and lemon rind mix. And then you want to kill the heat. Give this a great big stir. And basically you just want to keep this in here until the sugar completely dissolves. It'll take about 5 minutes. Stir frequently during the 5 minutes. But we've got one last thing we got to do. Okay, and then through a strainer, separate the rinds from the liquid. And then you just want to leave this on your counter for it to cool down till it reaches room temperature. That truly is the golden nectar of the gods. Now, remember those 6 lemons that we peeled? Well, now you're going to cut each one of them in half and squeeze out the juice into this mix. This should be done, again, once the liquid has reached room temperature. I actually cheated a little bit because I kept my lemons in the fridge the entire time. So they were a little cold when I got out, so kind of made it a little easier if you want to tip. I would also recommend using that strainer again to catch any seeds from the lemon. Just because there's so many of them, you don't have time to dick around with the hand thing. Okay, and then once all the juice is in, just give it a stir. Make sure everything's mixed together. Alright, one last thing. Alright, and then carefully pour this in a pitcher and leave in the fridge till thoroughly chilled. Alright, got my glass filled with ice, and gonna fill this up to the top, and that is a proper State Fair lemonade. Done.